Hey guys, Devamitra one more time. A very warm welcome, a very good afternoon to all of you. Okay, in my previous session, I have talked about how to pass the provision period. In my present session, I am going to talk about how to make your resume. Because whenever you are going to search for a job, you need to know how to make a resume in proper way. So I am going to give you that information. Okay, so let's get started, guys. So if you are in job search mode, you have probably uploaded your resume via a company's applicant tracking system that is called ATS. And ATS is simply a software application that enables the electronic handling of recruitment needs and house applications and resumes. Okay. The system are designed to aid in corporate compliance and to help recruiters solve swiftly through resumes. Okay, they also highlight candidates who are the best match for the position. The downwise is that candidates feel their experience in this is minimized and feel as through they have been shoved into the infamous black hole of recruiting. Okay, it is frustrating and uploading after resume and not hearing back. So here are 6 tips to maximize the chance that your resume makes it through and ATS and end up in the hiring manager's hands. Be keyword driven. The first one is the ATS algorithm scans for keywords. Okay, that are based on the position description. It can also scan for information and related to your work experience, expertise, and education. If the ATS determines that your resume is good match for the position, it gives you a higher ranking. This ranking improves your chances of being seen by a recruiter and ultimately landing an interview. Another way that keywords come into play is if a recruiter is searching the ATS database for resumes, they will start using specific keywords. If you are wondering how to demystify keywords, it's not that hard. Okay, turn to the before you submit any resume, review the description, making special notes of the requirements. Keywords are nothing more than that. Those short phrases or words that are instrumental to the requirements of a job. For example, let's say that you see requirements such as managing employees engagement surveys from concept to close and drive initiatives for improvement based of the results, managing exit interview process by evaluating trends and reporting data to CEO, leading the department and delivery of manager training activities, working with payroll and benefits within ADP workforce now. Okay, the keywords would be employee engagement surveys, exit interviewing, evaluating and analyzing trends, manager training initiatives, payroll and benefits with ADP workflow flow now. Okay, so if you have any exposure or expertise to those keywords that you have identified, the need to be written into your resume. If not, the ATS may not see you for a match for the requirements of the role. But please don't try to trick it. Okay, that won't go over well. Some applicants have tried to insert keywords and qualifications into their documents via wild text because the ATS can read the words, but human readers are unable to read them. This behavior won't work. Keep the formatting simple. I have lost count of the numbers of documents I have laid eyes upon. So I can say that I appreciate seeing something new and unique. However, while applicant tracking systems have advanced and many can keep the same formatting and font, not all are advanced to do that. It's best to keep a simple format to be on the safe side. What's your acronym? Okay, it is good practice to spell out acronyms on your resume at least once while adding the acronyms in percentage. For example, certified public accountant, okay, CPA, registered nurse, it will be RN, certified defense financial manager, CDFM. You get the point. This way, you use the acronyms letter, and the ATS will still be able to pick up on your specific certification. Consider your job title. You may fancy yourself as the chief people officer or chief heart officer, but if you are applying to position with human resources in the title, you may want to use the more common term. If ATS is looking specifically for human resources in the title, they won't find you if you are listed as the chief happiness officer. Okay, so have your cover letter on hand, but statistically about half the hiring managers read cover letter, and the other 50% do not. Some research shows even less than 50% bother reading a cover letter. Go figure. Now wonder it's mandating for a job seeker. The rule of thumb is that if you want is specifically requested, upload it. Otherwise, don't stress about whether you should put on together if not required. Spend your time creating a stellar resume. Okay, so be mindful of the hard requirement. Okay, I would never tell people to stop applying positions where you don't meet 100%, okay, of the qualification. However, be aware that many companies will review your resume based on the companies will hard requirement of the role. This also includes the number of years of experience required. The ATS is designed to weed out applications who do not have such things as a clearance, a certain clearance level, specific license, certification, or education. So if you do not meet their requirements, you may be in for an uphill battle. We can keep debate the merits of this all day. In full disclosure, I have seen resumes make it to the thing manager when all requirements are not met. Okay, however, the odds may not be in your favor. I'm not saying this to dampen anyone's spirit, but rather to explain why you may not be contacted for interviews. Okay, on a final note, the most important tip here is about keywords. Make it a point to identify the keywords before applying. If you do done it any and they ask for it, okay, your resume should spell that out. Otherwise, nobody will ever know. So this is the things, guys, about resume. Kindly take that tips properly and seriously whenever you are going to apply online for job. Kindly maintain all those things whatever I have said. This is the criteria to make a resume. Okay, so this is for today's session. Bye for now, guys. This is from the Mr. Sir. Kindly subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon, and comment below. And all the videos, all the technical videos, all the inspirational videos, all the in knowledge sharing videos are going on in our channel. Kindly visit and see all those videos. Get the knowledge, whatever you need. TCS Global is here to help you. We all are here to help you, and we are providing the training. We are providing the internship program. It can be free. It can be paid internship program. So we have long-term courses, short-term courses, whatever is your need, what you want to know, what knowledge you know, you need to gather. Kindly, for that reason, communicate with us, and we will provide you each and every knowledge, whatever is needed from your side. Because we are here, we are 10 years experience company in IT market, and we are already doing it. Already 1,150 plus employees are working in another companies, okay, from who has worked with TCS Global, who has trained by TCS Global, in the fireside chat videos, you can see all the credentials of that employees who have worked in PCS Global, what he has said, he or she has said, whatever experience they have gained from PCS Global, and how successfully they are working in another companies also. So kindly make your mind be a part of PCS Global, work with us, and give that assurance to us that you will also make us proud. Okay, and hold our hand and be a part of our journey. So this is for today's session.